Hey guys, so I'm recording this video to showcase the usage of Ripik Optimus, which is a production scheduling optimizer tool. So let's go ahead and discuss the features of this tool. So when you talk about the features, you can generate the schedule for your production. This is the main feature of the application. And the schedule which the app generates is going to be a very optimized schedule in terms of feasible quantity and demanded quantity and so on. Now, the next thing is that you will get 4 detailed view and some more in useful insights also. You'll be getting that as well about the generated schedule. And you can even view the past history, basically the history of schedules that you have generated earlier. And moreover, you can even compare up to 3 schedules on the basis of production insights and room insights. I'll be showing all of these one by one so that you have a clear idea of what these features are. And then you can even experiment with your own custom output files. So let's say you have your own production view or machine view file. You can upload it and see how the schedule will look like, and you can view the detailed insights with that uploaded output file. Then you also have role-based access control in this application. Basically, if you are the admin, you can modify other users' roles, like you can make a person a viewer, a planner, or an admin. And the other features will also include like filtering the outputs, viewing detailed charts, and so on. So that's pretty much all about the introduction of this tool. Now let's go ahead and get started um, with the application. So yeah, this is so here we are in the application, and here we can see that right now this is the guest user. Nobody is logged into the account. So you have the option of generating a schedule, and you have the option of viewing a sample schedule. So when you click over here, it will tell that you have not generated any schedule. You kindly need to generate a schedule. So when you click over here, it will take you back to the generate schedule page, and it will ask you for a couple of files. So right now it is asking for monthly input, master files, and the parameters. So these are basically these are basically the master files, which is like product form, recipe, description, plant map, cross block penalty, room changeover, and these are the monthly input files. So right now, in case you are a guest, you can skip all of these and you can select on use sample files. So once you do that, it will take you to the final stage where you can modify the parameters like priority gain, due date penalty, and cross block penalty. Once you're done with this, you can click on the generate sample schedule. The Optimus tool will generate a sample schedule for you. And yeah, here we are in the sample schedule page. So right now it is building the chart for us. And this is the product view chart, which we have received, which we got from the sample files. So the right now the color of this product view chart is on the basis of the block. So you can see that the block ID A and block ID A, all the block ID A are colored in the same color, and the same goes for the other blocks as well. Now you can even view the product view chart on the basis of operation which is being performed. So when you click on switch on the operation, the chart will switch its color to the operation which was being performed. So right now the blistering and cartoning is, I guess, brown or chocolate brown color, and this is blistering, and this should also be blistering. Yeah. And the other feature you get over here is that you can zoom in and view the detailed like chart. Okay. And the next feature which I'm going to show is the filtering option. So if you want, you can filter the chart on the basis of the product ID. You can click on the product ID. It will basically change the chart, and it will update it on the basis of the product you have selected. So I'll select 2 more products, one and two. So you can see that as soon as I click on any product, it gets added to my chart, right? So I can even deselect it. And the moment remove all the selections, it will reset the chart and show me all the machines, all the products. So yeah, this is the product view. Now we can go ahead and we'll explore the machine view. So in the machine view, we have the like right now again over here, the coloring is on the basis of operation which is being performed. So you can see that all the operations, the granulation operation is of the same color. And if you want, you can filter it on the basis of machine ID. And once you do that, you can see that the selected machine is being shown. The other filter is that you can filter it on the basis of operation which is being performed. So I'll just select one of the operation and it will show me all the machines which are performing that operation. And we also have the filter by room ID. So in case, let us select any room like PAC03. So right now you can see that machine 545 is in the room PAC03 and you can see the start and end time of this machine and the block ID as well and the operation which is being performed. So I can reset it by clicking on the all. So yep, it basically filters all the machines for me. It removes all the filter and again over here also you can select a portion and zoom in and you can zoom out and view some more details. So yeah. And then we also have a pagination feature. So we are like to improve the performance, we are limiting the number of machines shown in a page. So just because of that, we have added pagination. So in case you have any specific machine in your mind, you can select the machine ID from here. Otherwise, uh, if you want to just view the machines on the basis of the paginated data, you can click on the buttons and select that page and it will show you the data of your chosen page. All right. So yeah, that's all about the machine view. The next we have is the commit view. So in the commit view data, again, we have a lot of details like product view, product ID, total quantity which was demanded, the current quantity demanded, and the quantity which is feasible, the scheduled quantity, the number of batches, batch size, priority, due date, and last end date. And you have all these data. So you can basically use this data for the metrics and all, like to view the commit view, like to basically understand the commit view data, we have given the table over here. And then we have the quantity view. So in the quantity view, you can, the main thing is like the quantity which was processed, the batch size, the priority, due date, and the product ID, material type, and batch ID. So yeah. So again, over here, you can use this to understand the quantity view data. All right. So now this is all about the guest account. And once you like, let us go ahead and log in and view the uh, features which you get once you log in. So I'll just log in to an admin account. So over here, you can see the same layout, but on the left hand side, there's one extra navigation button, which is basically the admin panel over here. So the admin panel gives you the access to the admin, gives you the admin access, and you can basically view all the users and you can modify the role, you can delete the role, you can see if there is any request of the user, and you can perform operations like these. Then you have the history option over here. So in the history option, you can view the history, which was history of schedules which were generated. So right now it is loading the history for me. Let us wait for some time. I'll pause my video until then. Okay. So here I have the history which was generated. So you can again scroll, like move forward and backward and view the histories which were generated. In case if you want to see compare between two or three histories, you can select like maximum three histories at a time and click on compare. When you click on compare, you will get a detailed insight, which is going to show you the production insights and the room insights. So in the production insights, you can compare the total demanded quantity, the feasible, and the total schedule. Then in the room insights, you have average room busy, room changeover A, and room changeover B. So these are the two main parameters, room insights and production insights, which will help you to determine which schedule performed better when you compare. So yeah, this is the schedule comparison feature. Now, yeah, let me just reload the page. So since we are in the admin page right now, if I go to the current schedule, it will fetch the latest schedule for me, and it will show me the um, insights and the schedule, different kinds of views for the given schedule. So as you can see, when I went to the current schedule, the last schedule which was generated, it had total number of 508 batches. The number of SFGs were 352. The number of common blend were 156. And this was the demanded versus schedule chart. And this was the feasible versus schedule chart. So this is again a good insight for you. And then you have the room insights as well, like how many hours, how many total hours were spent in which state. So you can see that total of 280 hours was spent in the busy state. And then changeover A was total 12.1 and changeover B was 48.4. Then again, we have the four different views: product view, machine view, commit view, and quantity view. So yeah, this is basically all about the um, production scheduling optimizer tool. And there's the last feature which I'd like to show, which is the experiment feature. So in the experiment feature, you can basically experiment with your own custom outputs. So right now we are in the product view. So I'll upload my product view output. And once I upload the product view output, you can see that I'll be given with a good chart, which will again give me a detailed view, like how the products are moving in their lifetime, like what are the stages and what operation is being performed and at what time is it starting and what time is it ending and everything. So the same goes for machine view, commit view, and quantity view. So yeah, this was for the admin. Now I'll show you one last role, which is the viewer. So now if I log in from my other ID, so you can see that over here my role is shown as a viewer. So right now I can't generate any schedule. I only have the option of viewing my current schedule. So when I click on the current schedule page, it will show me the latest schedule which was generated, but there is no chance that I can create a new schedule on my own. And uh, yeah, so there is it is not possible for me to create a new schedule. But in case if I want to create a new schedule, I can go ahead up and go to the upgrade role tab, select my role. I'll ask for a better role, which is like planner or an admin. Once I click that, I'll just enter my reason for upgrade. Need to create schedules, and I'll click on submit. So once the submit, like once I submit it, it will basically send a request to the admin, and then admin can basically decide whether or not to give me the planner role or not, right? So I have the option of choosing between admin and uh, planner. So yeah, that's pretty much all about the Sun Pharma production scheduling optimizer tool. And thanks for watching. I hope you have understood the entire use case of this website. Have a good day. Bye bye.